Let's dive right into a 10-minute low-impact cardio routine that's perfect for everyone, regardless of fitness level. This routine is designed to get your heart pumping without putting too much strain on your joints. So, grab some water, find a comfortable space, and let's get moving. We'll start with a gentle warm-up to prepare our bodies. Begin with some arm circles. Stand tall and extend your arms out to the sides. Now, make small circles forward for about 30 seconds. Feel those shoulders loosening up?
Great.
Now switch to backward circles. This helps increase blood flow and gets your upper body ready for action. Next, let's transition into marching in place. Lift your knees high and swing your arms as if you're walking briskly. This is a fantastic way to elevate your heart rate while keeping the impact low. Aim for about 1 minute here. Focus on your posture. Keep your chest up and shoulders relaxed. Now, let's add some side steps. Step to the right, bringing your left foot to meet your right, and then step to the left. Keep this going for another minute. You can add a little bounce to your step if you feel comfortable. This movement engages your legs and gets your heart rate up without any jumping. Time for some gentle leg lifts. Stand tall and lift your right leg to the side, then lower it back down. Alternate legs for about 30 seconds. This works your hip muscles and improves balance. Remember to keep your core engaged to support your movements. Now, let's incorporate some arm movements. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and do a combination of bicep curls and shoulder presses. For 30 seconds, curl your arms up to your shoulders and then press them overhead. This will not only get your heart rate up, but also tone your arms. Next, we'll do some gentle twists. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Keep your hips facing forward and let your arms swing naturally. This is great for your core and adds a nice stretch to your back. Let's do this for about 1 minute. Now, let's get back to marching in place for another minute. This time, try to pick up the pace a little. Feel free to add some arm movements. Maybe pump them up and down or cross them in front of your body. This will really get your heart rate going. We're almost there. Let's finish strong with some side lunges. Step to the right, bending your right knee while keeping your left leg straight. Push back to the center and switch to the left side. Alternate for about 1 minute. This movement is fantastic for your legs and glutes while keeping the impact low. Finally, let's cool down with some gentle stretches. Stand tall and reach your arms overhead, then lean to the right and hold for a few seconds. Switch to the left side. This helps to relax your muscles and brings your heart rate down gradually. And there you have it, a quick, effective, low-impact cardio routine that anyone can do. Remember, the key is consistency. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference in your fitness journey. Keep moving, stay active, and enjoy the process.